Hi everyone, good morning to all. Today's topic is biodiversity. Let me start with the topic biodiversity. What exactly is biodiversity and why is it important? Firstly, I will explain the definition of biodiversity. Biodiversity is short of biological diversity, which means the amazing variety of living things on earth. And as we know that biodiversity is the web of our life, if we destroy parts of that web, the entire web becomes weak. And why is it important? Is it is important simply because the quality of our lives depend on it. And another definition of biological diversity or biodiversity refers to the variability among the living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes from all sources like terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems or ecological complexes of which they are part. And the another definitions describe as thoroughly biodiversity is the assemblage of different life forms. It can also be defined as the number of different organisms and their relative frequency in an ecological systems. Out of these, about 2 million organisms have been identified so far. Our planet requirements and services depend mainly on the biological resources. The next is significance of biodiversity and the value of biodiversity. As we know that biodiversity significance is more essential for all the living and non-living organisms. Let me start with the value of biodiversity. Values related to biodiversity are three categories. First is productive use, second is consumptive use, and third is indirect use. Biological resources contribute to social and economic development through first is products consumed directly like firewood, fodder, and game meat. Products for commercial harvest, as we know that like timber, fish, and medicinal plants, and various ecosystem services and functions. Example: watershed protection, photosynthesis, regulation of climate, production of soils. There are different types of biodiversity, and I will explain the different types of biodiversity as thoroughly. And it is usually considered at three different levels. First is genetic diversity, species diversity, ecosystem diversity. First, I will explain genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is the sum total of genetic information contained in the genes of all living organisms. As we know that on the earth there are about 30 million insects. Total and identified species are tabulated here under. I will show the genetic diversity organisms and total number of species. The next type is species diversity. Species diversity is refers to the variety of living organisms on earth, and it pertains to the richness of species of flora and fauna and microorganisms in an ecosystem or biotic community. The next type is ecosystem diversity. It relates to the variety of habitats, biotic communities, and ecological processes in the biosphere, as well as the tremendous diversity within ecosystem. This is all over the types of biodiversity. And the next is values of biodiversity, and I will explain described as thoroughly the value of biodiversity. The first is food. As we know that food is very essential part of our body, and today's the environment. Today's under the environment there are so many plant species or animal species decrease day by day, and so under food, I will explain the whole process, whole values of biodiversity. The firstly, 80,000 edible plant species utilized by human villages in Indonesia use 4,000 native plant and animal species for their food and medicine. Second is drugs and medicines. UNDP estimates the value of pharmaceutical products derived from plants, animals, and microbes more than $30 billion per year. Ecological benefits. The following services are provided by the organisms: soil, farming, air and water purification, water disposal, nutrient cycling, food production. These organisms are nothing but the value of biodiversity is more indispensable. Aesthetic benefits. As we know that millions of people enjoy hunting, fishing, camping, healing, wildlife watching and other natural activities. And also we know that when the people are free in holidays and they are like go to the hilly areas and enjoy hunting, camping and all. These activities provide stress relief, good exercise, and contact with nature can be psychologically and emotionally restorative. Social values. The US Fish and Wildlife Service estimated that 40% of all adults enjoy wildlife, including 39 million who are hunting or fishing, and 76 million who watch, feed, or photograph wildlife. There are nine major ecological or vegetative zone, which has further subdivided into 18 habitat types. The next topic is threats to biodiversity. Threats to biodiversity means a depletion of biodiversity or loss of diversity. The loss of diversity threat to biodiversity in Pakistan comes from the increased pressure on natural resources produced by rapid population growth and demands for increased standards of living. Together, these account for doubling of the demand for natural resources every 12 years. Today's the diversity whole diversity is damaged by the unwanted substances present in environment, and they are in decreased so many living or non-living organisms, and they reduced native plant species or native animal species. And so I will explain the whole loss of biodiversity points explain with you. The first one is deforestation. Deforestation, I will explain whole the points one by one. The first is the deforestation. It can directly lead to biodiversity loss when animal species that lives in the trees no longer have their habitat. Deforestation can lead certain tree species to permanently disappear, which affects biodiversity of plant species in an environment. The second point is overgrazing and browsing. Overgrazing also affects the native species are distributed in the environment. The loss of native plants can lead to a loss of native animal species. Third point is soil erosion. Climate change leading to flooding and subsequent lack of oxygen, loss of organic matter through enhanced oxidation, and prolonged periods of drought are the drivers of biodiversity loss in soil. Fourth point is water pollution. Uh, as we know that there are unwanted chemicals are added into the water. They are caused so many problems like diseases, The breakdown of organic pollutants such as sewage and farm runoff uses oxygen, meaning that suffers severe drops in dissolved oxygen levels. As we know that water pollution creates so many problems, and they are main cause of threats to the biodiversity. The next point is hunting cause the decline in particular animal species. This will affect everything around it, for example plants and animals. It directly affects the natural environment in that it throws off natural predation and population growth of the wildlife. And the next is fishing, agriculture practices, habitat destruction, expansion of agriculture industries, urbanization, road construction or dam construction, excessive and uncontrolled biotic interference, drought, landslides, floods, storms, earthquakes, diseases, environmental pollution. The whole points are under the threats to biodiversity. They are very the whole points are very indispensable for the environment. So now the topic is covered, the biodiversity and why it is important. Thanks.